Welcome to New Car. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the Eneron Magnum MK1, a next-generation 4x4 patrol vehicle designed specifically for the Abu Dhabi Police. This armored beast combines cutting-edge surveillance, AI-driven computing, and high-level security features, making it one of the most advanced law enforcement vehicles ever built. One of its standout capabilities is its advanced threat detection system. The Magnum MK1 is equipped with biometric scanners and AI-powered facial recognition, allowing it to instantly identify individuals with criminal records or those flagged on security watch lists. Thermal imaging cameras and motion sensors detect suspicious movements even in low visibility conditions, ensuring no threat goes unnoticed. The vehicle also features an AI-driven behavior analysis system that scans for unusual activities, helping law enforcement officers preemptively assess potential threats before they escalate. The Magnum MK1 is packed with a 360-degree surveillance system, equipped with advanced cameras and infrared sensors for maximum situational awareness. It also features an integrated drone system, with 2 drones that can be deployed from a special compartment in the tailgate, providing real-time aerial surveillance. Inside, the vehicle has a dedicated navigator station with a 28-inch high-resolution monitor, a connector hub, and a stowable table, ensuring smooth mission control. When it comes to security, the MK1 doesn't compromise. It includes a secure detainee transport cell, complete with built-in cameras, microphones, and speakers for constant monitoring. The interior is fully adaptable with swivel and reclining seats that can be adjusted for different operational needs. The armored body meets the EN 1522 Level B6 standard, making it capable of withstanding 7.62 millimeter ammunition. This powerhouse is also built for off-road capability, featuring a reinforced suspension system and central tire inflation technology, allowing it to tackle any terrain with ease. Powered by dual Nvidia Orin processors, the MK1 leverages AI models to process voice, data, and video, ensuring seamless in-vehicle and cloud-based computing for high-tech policing. The Eneron Magnum MK1 is a game-changer in law enforcement technology, designed to provide ultimate security, mobility, and efficiency. What do you think about this futuristic patrol vehicle? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to New Car 808 for more exciting vehicle updates.